Hello, and welcome all. I noticed that FaceRig's doing a video contest, so instead of me being funny and showing really cute and uncute and weird things with FaceRig, I'm going to do an educational one that I hope everyone will appreciate, especially if you use ManyCam, which I'm going to show you now. So the first thing you'll want to do is load ManyCam, as you see that I already have on my screen. And I got a blank camera. That's good. The next thing we'll do is we'll load FaceRig right now, and I've done that on my other monitor. Click on the options. Make sure you pick your video camera, not your ManyCam, but your web camera. We'll keep it 644/80 in this case. That's 1280 by 720, 60/60/30. Keep DirectX 9, don't use DirectX 11. It does not work 99% of the time. I've worked with a developer on this issue for like 2 hours once, and we got it sorted out and saw what was causing some huge issues with it, and apparently it was DirectX 11. And there's some other minor issues with the program, and you'll probably see it happen as I load. So make sure you do select your web camera for source. Go save, go action. Click OK. Click next, next, OK. Now as you see, it's showing track your source feed empty. It's showing what my ManyCam is, even though I selected web camera. So what you have to do is you go into devices. Even though it's on web camera right now, you just have to re-pick it, and this will fire up the web camera. So now I'm in FaceRig. Let's port this into ManyCam. So go to ManyCam, use the drop down menu, go cameras, and go FaceRig. This application is currently offline. I hope not. Oh dear. That's a good question. It probably is. Don't forget to hit the broadcast button. There we go. So we hit broadcast. Now I got myself in ManyCam. And the reason why we use ManyCam to output all your sources is well, let's look at it. I'll load up Skype. I will look for somebody, such as myself. I will give myself a call. Okay, so I gave myself a call. Let's say I want to share my screen. So go to Tools. First you want to set up your web camera first. So go Tools, Options. Go Video Source. And this has to be ManyCam. There we go. Now we've got our ManyCam up. Click Save. Now we can share it. And so there I am in the bottom here. Let's make that bigger for this demonstration. So on my other computer, it would be full screen showing me exactly what you see in the bottom corner here. So let's go back to FaceRig. Quickly go settings, because some people have asked me this, so I'm just going to quickly show it. Go preferences and turn off hide logo, because a few people asked me how to get rid of the logo, and that's how you get rid of the logo. So now you could, do some funny things like move your head. You can see it working at the bottom here. If I go to avatar customization, go special, because I'll just demo this one quickly, go tongue. You have to enable it. It's not enabled by default, which I wish it was. We'll just quickly use the mouse because it's the easiest. Go save options if you want to save it. If not, just close it. And then you can, stick your tongue out. As you can see on my on my Skype. Zoom in, you can see other things, how it works real time. Move her up here quickly for a second. Okay, pull that tongue out, lick the screen. Oh, my guys on Skype love this one. It's like, ah. Anyways, so now you're probably asking, why don't I just use FaceRig through my web camera, through Skype, instead of using ManyCam? Well, ManyCam can do a few things, so let's get a little bit clever. Let's say I want to make it 4 times the effort, so go here. Go cameras, we'll go FaceRig again. Cameras, FaceRig again. Cameras, FaceRig again. So as you can see in the Skype now, I've got 4 times the fun in one web camera. So once again, I could pull her tongue out. Let's bring her closer again. Move her up a bit. Lick the screen 4 times. So you could do that, or let's bring up ManyCam again. Let's say I want to go picture in picture, so I'll go here, keep this one her, which I'm going to quickly move back so you guys can see her. And let's say I'm on Skype and I want to show my friend something using my desktop. So I can click the background here, click layer 0, and go desktop, and let's say I want to share my display 2 in this case, and then I'll shrink this quickly. So now, as you see in the bottom of Skype, I got my web camera with me in it, and I got my desktop. So if I wanted to, I could open up this, which is in the way of that. So I could take this if I wanted to. Let's say I want it in this corner instead. I could shrink it. And let's say that's my face isn't quite center, so let's move this up here quickly. Now let's just say my face could be bigger, but I don't want to do it with a FaceRig. I can click on this one and then I can go zoom. So now my whole face is in there. Now if I go back here quickly, I can move her around. There you go. So now I'm in my desktop with a much closer looking fox face in the camera. Now I could go to my desktop and show you the start menu here. I could show you the start screen if it's Windows 8, which I run. I could do anything while showing you on Skype, and this is the power behind ManyCam and why it's such an awesome tool to have. Let's say I want to play a game, so I will load up a windowed version game. So I'll go to Steam. I will pick, let's say for this demonstration we'll go Secret of the Magic Crystals, because I do happen to know this is a windowed game I could use. So I will window it. Let's say I will window it at, I'll bring it over to show you what I'm doing here. Let's say I will window it at 1024 by 768. So we hit play, drag it back over. Now 1024 by 768 obviously isn't my native screen resolution, but let's say I want to show that game in full screen without actually making it full screen. Well, we could go over here. I could do one of two things. I could pull down the menu, go 0, I could add it as a game, or if you want to do it on the fly, app window and select Magic Crystals. And now I got a full screen of Secret of the Magic Crystals, well, my FaceRig, and we can play it together. So we could do that. Or let's say I want to switch back to my desktop really quick with keeping my FaceRig. So I could go on this one, make it cameras, go FaceRig. Let's make this one we'll just cut to it really quick. So now I cut to it, now it's just my FaceRig. Let's make it 4 ways. Let's go here, let's go here, we'll go desktop. We'll go display 2. Then we'll go down here and we'll go application. We'll just go my game, even though that would be pointless because now it's on my desktop and my game. And for kicks and giggles, let's load a media file. So this PC, let's go to downloads, let's go MLP wallpaper because I've got a few, and let's go with Beat It. So, as you can see, now I'm going to shrink this quickly, shrink her as well. So now you can see I got an audio file, video bottom right corner, my desktop top left corner, myself, and my game, which we can, if we wanted to, continue playing. Just beat it! And there it goes. Or I could just be myself. So that is how you can configure FaceRig to go through ManyCam, and then ManyCam out to your applications that you use them, such as Skype. You can use it with Shadow Play if you wanted to, last I checked. I'm not entirely sure if FaceRig can go to Shadow Play directly, but you can go FaceRig to ManyCam to Shadow Play, which works. Another nifty thing while I'm still got you guys here, with I'm gonna cut some of these really quick. Clear. We're gonna trans to this. Okay. The other thing with ManyCam, you got the web camera like high, which is only 40. So they got it up to 720, but you can go higher than that. You can go up to 1080. Now my web camera's a 1080 web camera, or we could even go higher. We could customize it too if you wanted to. Here you set your frames per second on the webcam itself, and which resolution you want this webcam to support, so we can go to higher. And as you see down in the bottom, I'll move this over. Let's go with a really slow resolution this time. See? As you go lower, I personally would suggest if you have the connection to do it. And the hardware goes 720. Don't go any lower, don't go any higher. Once you start getting up there, especially more sources than I am, it will start going a bit. On a single source. Let's just single sources right now. It's not bad. Well, it runs great here. I could up it a bit higher. And there we go. As you see, it lags a bit and it's got borders around it. We could zoom in though. Really zoom in, and then we could go up here and drag it around instead of dragging your character around to match it. So, that is FaceRig with ManyCam, and Face with ManyCam and Skype. So, if you haven't bought it yet, I highly suggest buying it. And if you haven't bought, if you're a huge webcam user like I am, if you haven't bought ManyCam yet, I highly suggest buying that too. will quickly enable by ManyCam and FaceRig now. Let's make that super large. Let's move, I didn't mean to click on that. Let's move that up to, let's scroll it right to left. There we go. Now you have no reason not to buy it. And another note, you notice it's backwards on my screen. It will be the right way on their screen, just like it is up here. So I hope this was entertaining, if not entertaining, at least educational in one way or another. And hopefully for existing users that watch this and new users, you'll find new ways of using ManyCam as well. Thank you for watching. One last thing, it just dawned on me and I want to show this, so I'm going to add it to the end of the video. Go to images, let's make it 4 times the fun. Now that we got 4 times the fun, let's bring up FaceRig. Let's hide the UI quickly. And let's hide the picture-in-picture. Where is picture-in-picture? Picture. There we go. There we go. Now I'm going to move this over to my monitor over here. I'm going to select my video source. I'm going to go app. I'm going to go FaceRig. Lied. I'm going to go custom area this time. I'm going to bring it over here. Go OK. Okay. So as you see, I did custom, and now I'm going to pick another one. Go custom area. How did I do it? Okay. And then I'll go back here. I'll pick custom again. And then I'll go here. I'll go custom again. Now you can have a lot of me in one window. Don't be afraid. Actually, you should probably be very afraid. Look into her soul. Look into the soul, I tell you. Oh, where is this going? Wipe the window clean. Okay, that's all I wanted to show. I hope you like the bonus content. See you guys.